If you have been fully vaccinated, you do not have to wear a mask indoors with someone else who has also been fully vaccinated. That's according to the CDC's newly released guidelines for those who have been fully vaccinated against COVID-19. WATE 6 on Your Side reporter Kirsty Crawford talked with the Chief Medical Officer of Covenant Health about these new recommendations.
After nearly a year of wearing masks and staying socially distant, thanks to COVID-19 vaccinations, some people can have a little more normalcy.
It's exciting, and we're glad to see the CDC beginning to provide guidance for a more vaccinated world.
The CDC says now, if you've been fully vaccinated, you don't need to wear a mask or socially distance around others who have also been vaccinated. Another change, people who have completed the vaccination process can gather with one other household who haven't been, if they don't have underlying health conditions.
They don't have chronic underlying disease. They don't have a disease or a health condition that would make them at greater risk for bad outcomes with COVID.
Those are the only main changes back to some sort of normalcy. Here's why vaccinated people don't have more freedom, at least not yet. Dr. Brown with Covenant Health says vaccine trials didn't answer what are the risks for those not fully vaccinated.
What none of those initial trials studied as an endpoint was the transmission of the disease, right? Or the asymptomatic spread of the disease.
Right now, nearly 9% of residents in Knox County have been fully vaccinated. Simple math here, that means more than 90% aren't. It's a similar percent statewide. Because of that, Brown says we all still need to be cautious.
We still have a significant number of people who are at risk. And you can't walk down the street and tell who's at risk, right? So for those reasons, that's why we still have to, at this point, continue to practice all of these preventative measures that are recommended by the CDC.
Kirsty Crawford, WATE 6 on Your Side.
Now, Dr. Brown urges people to get vaccinated. He says many more people are eligible and more places are now offering that vaccine. The sooner we reach herd immunity, the better.